Collagen is the body's unsung hero, the secret to maintaining youthful skin, strong bones, and flexible joints. However, as we age, our natural collagen production begins to dwindle, resulting in the unwelcome arrival of wrinkles and sagging. But fear not, with the right foods, you can give your collagen production a much-needed boost. So what exactly is collagen, and why is it so vital? This abundant protein acts as the glue that holds our cells together, ensuring our tissues stay strong and resilient. It plays a crucial role in skin elasticity, bone integrity, and joint health. Now, how can the foods on your plate contribute to collagen production? While our bodies do produce collagen, certain nutrients can supercharge this process. Here are 5 powerhouse foods that should find a regular spot in your diet. First up, citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and strawberries, bursting with vitamin C, are essential for collagen synthesis. Then, we have amino acid-rich foods such as meat, fish, eggs, legumes, and seeds, which provide the building blocks your body needs to create collagen. Don't forget about zinc-rich foods like seafood, meat, and legumes, which enhance healing and collagen production. Copper sources, including nuts, seeds, and seafood, also play a vital role in this process. And let's not overlook bone broth, a nutrient-rich elixir that's a direct source of collagen and offers a myriad of benefits for your joints and skin. Beyond these key players, other foods can further support collagen production. Red fruits not only provide vitamin C, but are also rich in antioxidants that help combat aging. Oily fish like salmon and sardines are loaded with omega-3s, enhancing skin health. Legumes, such as beans and lentils, are great sources of protein, fiber, and vital minerals for collagen support. Finally, seeds like chia and flax seeds offer omega-3s, antioxidants, and minerals that nourish your skin. However, boosting collagen isn't solely about what you eat. Several lifestyle factors can also influence its production. Excessive sun exposure can damage collagen, accelerating the aging process. Smoking not only hampers collagen production, but also negatively impacts skin elasticity. Meanwhile, pollution introduces environmental toxins that can generate free radicals, further harming collagen. In conclusion, embracing a nutrient-rich diet is your best defense against the decline of collagen, helping you maintain vibrant skin, strong bones, and healthy joints. By savoring foods high in vitamin C, amino acids, zinc, and copper, you can unlock the secret to a youthful, radiant appearance.